Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., a gust front was located along the line extending from 15 nautical miles north of Key Bridge to 14 nautical miles west of Alexandria to 16 nautical miles west of Quantico, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations of hazards include Yokosuka River, Potomac Creek, Breton Bay, Nanjanoy Creek, Smallwood State Park, Quantico, Reagan National Airport, Swan Point, Colton's Point, St. George Island, Occasion Bay, Hope Street, St. Clement Bay, Piney Point, mouth of the Potomac River, Maryland Point, Port Tobacco River, Colonial Beach, Pennsylvania State Park, and Cobb Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The Northern Virginia Mountain forecast for elevations above 2,000 feet, including the Skyline Drive. Wind advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Rest of this afternoon, mostly sunny. Scattered showers.
That's right. The HH-54 you see up there, I put some batteries in it, and I managed to get this thing here to capture the thing out there. There. So, yeah. Pretty cool. No, this does not mean that this weather radio is returning to service. That just means that, I just decided to put this on for fun, and, would you know it, it actually processed the alerts without dying. Because this weather radio here, actually if you check the thing here, and battery issue, like we're during a battery fault, like the things like here. So essentially, this weather here is out of service due to a power fault. And it cannot and will not accept DC power from the wall. I mean it. It cannot and will not accept DC power from the wall. Oh hey, look, another marine line. So, yeah, that's the thing. Alright. Frederick County WX, signing off.